Imagine a place where medieval castles meet turquoise waters, where ancient history blends seamlessly with café culture, and where every corner feels like a postcard. Welcome to Croatia. Nestled in the heart of Europe, cradled by the Adriatic Sea, this country is a treasure trove of breathtaking landscapes, rich traditions, and mouthwatering cuisine. From the marble streets of Dubrovnik to the cascading waterfalls of Plitvice, from the vibrant markets of Zagreb to the sun-drenched islands of Dalmatia, Croatia is a land of stories waiting to be discovered. If you think you've seen it all, think again. Croatia is full of surprises, and in this video, we're taking you on a journey to discover its most captivating sights, flavors, and secrets. So pack your imagination and let's explore. Dubrovnik, famously known as the Pearl of the Adriatic, is a city frozen in time. Enclosed by mighty 16th century walls, it's no wonder this place has been a setting for countless films and TV shows, including Game of Thrones. But beyond the cinematic charm, there's real history here. Once a powerful maritime republic, Dubrovnik rivaled Venice in trade and culture. The city was a beacon of diplomacy and innovation, even abolishing slavery as early as 1416. Take a stroll along the city walls, and you'll see the sparkling Adriatic on one side and terracotta rooftops on the other. Breathtaking doesn't even begin to cover it. If you get a chance, stop by a konoba, a traditional tavern, for a taste of local seafood paired with a crisp glass of pojip wine. Now let's switch gears to Zagreb, Croatia's vibrant capital. A city that feels like a living museum, only with a great sense of humor. The upper town, with its Baroque architecture and winding alleys, is a history lover's dream. But Zagreb isn't stuck in the past. It's buzzing with quirky museums. Ever heard of the Museum of Broken Relationships? Trendy coffee spots, and a lively street art scene. Speaking of coffee, Croatians take their cafe culture seriously. You'll find locals sitting for hours, catching up over an espresso. And if you ever get lost, just look up. The colorful tiled roof of St. Mark's Church will guide you back. If there's one place that feels like stepping into a fairy tale, it's Plitvice Lakes National Park. 16 interconnected lakes, endless waterfalls, and an ever-changing palette of blues and greens. It's no wonder this place is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The best way to explore? Follow the wooden pathways that snake over the water. Listen to the rustling leaves and breathe in the fresh scent of pine. Each season brings its own magic. Springtime flowers, summer's lush greenery, autumn's fiery reds and golds, and in winter, a frozen wonderland. And if you see a bear, don't panic. They're usually more interested in berries than tourists. The Makarska Riviera is where Croatia's coastline is at its most dramatic. Towering cliffs, secluded coves, and some of the best beaches in the country. It's no wonder this place is a favorite among locals and visitors alike. And just up the coast is Omeg, a town with a rebellious past. Once home to fierce pirates who controlled the Adriatic trade routes, Omeg still carries an adventurous spirit. Hike up to the Starigrad fortress for jaw-dropping views, or, if you're feeling brave, try zip-lining over the Cetina River. Vidar is a city where history meets innovation. Walk through Roman ruins, explore medieval churches, and end your day listening to the sea organ, a one-of-a-kind instrument played by the waves. And don't miss the sun salutation, a solar-powered light show that illuminates the waterfront each night. Stroll along Cale Larga, the city's ancient main street, and soak in the mix of old-world charm and modern energy. On to Split, a city built within a Roman emperor's palace. Diocletian's palace is not just a historical monument, it's the living, breathing heart of the city. Wander through its narrow alleys, where history blends seamlessly with modern cafes, shops, and homes. Climb the bell tower of St. Dominius Cathedral for panoramic views, then enjoy fresh seafood at a seaside restaurant. Whether you're exploring the waterfront or hiking up Marjan Hill, Split is a city that never sleeps. Ever dreamed of visiting a heart-shaped island? Well, Croatia has one. Gelenjak, also known as Lover's Island. It's one of the most perfectly heart-shaped islands in the world. And nearby, the picturesque town of Premotan offers one of the most stunning sunsets on the Dalmatian coast. Wander its charming old town, built on a small peninsula, and enjoy fresh seafood while watching the sun melt into the horizon. Dugi Otok, meaning Long Island, is one of Croatia's best-kept secrets. It's home to the striking cliffs of Talačica and some of the country's most untouched beaches. If you're looking to escape the crowds, rent a kayak and explore the hidden coves, or dive into the crystal-clear waters of Sakharun Beach, often compared to the Caribbean. Croatia has over 1,000 islands. The Dalmatian coast is a paradise for sailors and sunseekers alike. Var is where the party never stops, while Vis is a sleepy escape with secret beaches. And then there's Korčula, said to be the birthplace of Marco Polo, though Venice might disagree. One thing's for sure, whether you're sipping a glass of local Plavac Mali wine or feasting on freshly grilled fish, island life here is all about slowing down and soaking it all in. Pag is unlike any other island in Croatia. Its rocky, almost lunar terrain gives it a unique beauty, but it's what comes from this island that makes it famous. Pag cheese. This award-winning delicacy, made from the milk of sheep that graze on salty, aromatic herbs, is a must-try. The island is also known for its intricate lace-making tradition, stunning beaches like Ručica and Simuni, and lively nightlife in Zreče Beach. Accessible via the Pag Bridge, the island offers a perfect mix of relaxation and adventure. Whether you're here for history, food, or a party, Pag has something for everyone. Welcome to Istria, Croatia's answer to Tuscany. This heart-shaped peninsula in the northwest is a dream for food and wine lovers. It's the land of Malvasia and Teran wines, world-famous olive oil, and most notably, truffles. Yes, Istria is a truffle hunting paradise, with local farmers and their specially trained dogs scouring the forests for the prized fungi. If you visit in autumn, be sure to attend a truffle festival, where you can taste everything from truffle-infused cheese to creamy truffle pasta. The medieval towns of Motovun and Grotnjan feel like stepping into a painting, while the coastal gem Rovinj is pure romance. With its Venetian-style buildings, fishing boats, and cobbled streets, it feels like a little slice of Italy. Climb up to St. Euphemia's Church for panoramic views, or simply get lost in the labyrinth of alleys. And if you love seafood, this is the place to be. Freshly caught squid, oysters, and mussels are a must-try. You can't talk about Croatia without talking about food. This country's cuisine is as diverse as its landscapes. Along the coast, seafood reigns supreme. Think octopus salad, black risotto made with cuttlefish ink, and the famous peka, a slow-cooked meat and vegetable dish prepared under an iron bell. In the north, hearty stews, homemade pasta, and truffle-infused dishes take center stage. Let's not forget the wine. Croatia has been making it for over 2,500 years. Istria's Malvasia is perfect for white wine lovers, while the deep old Tirana will satisfy any red wine enthusiast. From medieval cities to breathtaking landscapes, from island hopping to indulging in some of the best food and wine Europe has to offer, Croatia is a place that stays with you long after you leave. So, when are you booking your trip? Thanks for joining us on this adventure. Until next time, Tivjeli. That's cheers in Croatian.